will sell you some bull crap if you don't value yourself. People will sell you expired goods or substances masquerading as food. People will sell you stuff. Greetings, this is Body-Culinary here, just finishing up today, day 5 of the Jump into Fitness and Gardening Challenge. And just a reflection today. People will sell you some bull crap if you don't value yourself. People will sell you expired goods or substances masquerading as food. People will sell you stuff that, fish or things that have absorbed lots of chemicals. People will sell you old food that's the bottom of the barrel that's maybe been wiped off. People will sell you fish or high quality steak that's been dropped on the floor inside of the restaurant. If you don't care enough to be really diligent about looking into the ingredients that are in your food, that you can recognize the ingredients, if you act like it's nothing, people are going to sell it to you. So it's up to each of us as individuals to care enough about what you're putting into the body and to set a standard for, I'm just not going to eat that. If people are uncomfortable or not, that's on them. But it's up to you to show enough love for your own being that you refuse to be moved and accept lower quality. That goes for relationships, whether they be familial, whether they be siblings, sons, daughters, co-workers. Just accepting less, accepting something that you know is less than ideal. You get to set the standard. So if you don't care, people will sell you some expired stuff to make a profit. So it's not really about complaining about the other folks selling it. It's about you. You don't have to purchase it. You don't have to participate. You don't have to purchase the toxic, misogynistic, violent music. You do have a choice. It's a mentality. This is Body-Culinary, and create a great day.